If you know your part numbers, you can save time with Quick Order. There are two methods to quickly fill your shopping cart. First, sign in to your RDO account. From any RDOequipment.com webpage, navigate to Parts and Supplies, and then Quick Order. Simply enter your part numbers and quantities. Then click Add to Cart. The dialog box confirms your success. Now, let's learn an even faster method for filling your shopping cart. On the Quick Order page, let's learn about how to upload a part list. First, download the provided template and open it in your favorite spreadsheet program. Notice there are just two columns, part number and quantity. Complete the two columns. When you save your spreadsheet, it's important the file is saved as a CSV file, which stands for comma-separated values. Don't save it as an Excel file. Click the Upload Part List button. Navigate to your saved CSV file on your PC, and your Quick Order form has been uploaded. Notice the parts in Quick Order. Simply add to cart. Proceed to checkout. Many customers manage lists of fleet maintenance parts and upload them for easy reordering. Or mechanics provide a list of parts to administrative staff to streamline ordering. Quick Order makes this convenient. On occasion, you might attempt to use Quick Order to submit a part number that is not enabled on our website, or perhaps it was misentered. We may still be able to assist. Let's look here. The part numbers on lines 1 through 3 are entered correctly. However, part number 4 has an extra digit, and part 5 is a rarely ordered part from a lesser-known attachment company. Clicking Add to Cart displays the Quick Order results. Those parts successfully added, and those parts with errors, as we can see the extra digit and the rarely ordered part. Notice and click the hyperlinked Copy All Parts with Errors. This puts these part numbers on your clipboard. Let's proceed to checkout and stop at the comments box. In the Order Comments box, simply right-click and paste. Here are our two part numbers that had errors, the extra digit and the rarely ordered part. Go ahead and add any notes. The parts team in your location will attempt to fulfill the order based on what you enter in the comments box. Explore how Quick Order works today and speed your online parts buying.